This problem is for white to kill the black group on the corner. So it seems like reducing eye space this way will not work, because black can live very easily if white plays at 1 and 3. What about reducing from this side? This will be a ko, so black is relatively resilient this way. But there's another way to reduce black's eye space, and that is this Atari on the first line. This could be a good move in certain circumstances. So now if black makes this eye, what should white do? Right? White should not capture this stone, because this will allow black to go back to the first variation. White can play this. And now 1 and 3 are connected, and black will not be able to make another real eye here. So black's strongest response is probably to connect here. And now this becomes much simpler for white. This is one of those patterns that you just have to know where to play if you're white. And the correct move is right here on the 2-1 point. So now black must try to make this a real eye, but it cannot. If black plays at number 4, all white needs to do is to stand down here at number 5. Black plays here, then white can destroy this eye this way. If black plays here, then white can Atari here. And these 3 black stones are on their Atari, and this eye will be destroyed. If black plays here at number 4, white should play this to keep destroying the eye. Black cannot play this. And if black plays here, then white plays on the outside. And now black cannot come in from either side. And black is already dead. Right? Playing here won't help, because this will be a corner bent 4 shape at best, and this will still be a dead shape. So black is already dead after white's number 7. Overall, this is not a super complicated pattern. You just have to know how to reduce black's eye space by playing the Atari here on the first line. And then, of course, this follow-up move is also essential for beginners and lower-level amateur players to know. Thank you for watching.